Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated a brand new synthetic football turf at Rongrenggre Government Higher Secondary School in Williamnagar. The state-of-the-art facility, completed in just 121 days at a cost of Rs 11.56 crore, features a FIFA standard synthetic turf along with a VIP rostrum and modern changing rooms. The foundation stone for the project was laid by Public Health Engineering Minister Marquis Marak. Officials present at the inauguration included PHE Minister and also local MLA of Williamnagar, Marquis Marak, Deputy Commissioner of East Garo Hills, Vibhor Agarwal, the principal of the school, the district sports officer, besides other government officials. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma highlighted the importance of such infrastructure in nurturing young sports talent and promoting fitness among students. This project is part of Meghalaya's larger push to develop sports facilities and encourage youth participation across the state.
So we are here in Williamnagar, and we, along with our local MLA, our Soil Conservation Minister, we have just inaugurated this beautiful artificial turf, and as you can see, it's a full-size football ground, and I'm sure that with the inauguration of this particular ground, it will be a great blessing for especially the youth of this area. And like this, there are close to about 25 plus artificial turfs which are being constructed as we are speaking, and another 25 is going to be sanctioned. So by the end of all of this, we should be having close to 50 such artificial turfs throughout the state. And as I said, this is going to be a big boost towards our goal to make Meghalaya the football capital and the football center powerhouse for the country as a whole. So with that focus and with that vision, we are going forward, and I'm very happy that this wonderful football field with artificial turf today is being inaugurated out here in Williamnagar.